Up for sale, 1971 Chevy K10 Cheyenne Super. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the truck, fire it up, and then drive it. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 71 K10 Cheyenne Super. Original Arizona truck up until about 9 or 10 years ago. Finished in factory colors. 350, turbo 350 trans, so it's an automatic. That's very nice, of course. Power steering, power front disc brakes, and it was ordered with 12 bolt with a 373 rear ratio. And of course, I'm going to go around it, put anything I do see, tell you everything I do know about it, fire it up, drive it, and get in for the driving. So of course, we will start here in the front. It was painted about 3 years ago. Beautiful quality paint, and I'll get back to the paint in a second. But of course, they did the bumper, which was new. The bezels, the trim down the side of the truck, all the emblems, so that's all new. Seals, weather stripping, whatnot. Like I said, painted 3 years ago. He said before it was painted, it was the original paint on the truck. And again, just beautiful quality, not too many marks on it. And again, being an Arizona truck, what does it have? All original body panels. Look down the side is so straight. So one of the things that they did while painting it, unfortunately, was that they painted, for some reason, the top and bottom of the door, it's a different shade. Now, talking to the guy, it looks like they might have taken the doors off, painted the truck and painted the doors separately, so they didn't get the same amount of orange on the paint, because feeling them condition-wise, definitely painted at the same time. So that's just unfortunate. And it's both sides too. A little harder to see in the shade, but it is. So I want to go ahead and pop this engine bay open for you. Gotta wedge my finger in here. Hold on, I've got to put my phone down somewhere. Voila. 350, it's got a Wheeland aluminum intake on there. You can make that out. Edelbrock carb. It was an AC truck. It doesn't work, and he said it hasn't worked since he bought it out of Arizona. It's got the original paint on the back there. You can see some of those markings. Master cylinder brake booster for the power front disc brakes. Power steering pump, of course, is down there. But again, look at the quality paint on the inner fenders here. I mean, they really did a nice job in here. The engine bay's clean otherwise. Inner fender walls look nice. They're a little currently dusty. I did clean them. They got dusty in my warehouse. Waiting for the weather to get nice. But it turnkey, it fires right up. Actually, you know what? I'll start it right now while I'm here. Stock exhaust manifolds on there, but the exhaust sounds very nice. And I know I didn't show you the interior, but let me see here. It should just... a couple of ones. Super smooth. We will start here, of course, on the driver's fender. Look how nice this bumper is. Look how nice this is. The finish, even down here, is exactly how you want to see it. I love the oversized tires. I love the hubcaps in the back. I love that in the front. The glove box tag is still in place. Look at that nice fitment there. Going all the way up there. All this lines up super nice. Nice trim around the window. Looks like, I would say, newer weather stripping up here. No cracks in the glass. It's a dual tank truck as well. There's a little touch-up right there. That looks very nice. I might do the whole side of the truck, then go to the interior. Look at the finish here. Look how straight this is. And you got new bezels. All this trim in the back is new. This I love. It's like fresh new. Totally painted bed. It's got like that rubberized coating in the paint for work. Spare. And this is actually all finished super nice. Oh, there we go. Oh. The finish is really nice here and up. I see a little roughness here. This looks like a drain hole. It's got a matching one on the other side. Sliding back window as well. On the top of the cab, I know you can, if you can make that out, the quality of the paint is like the orange paint and the white paint down here. This original tag is still in here. I like that. No rust in here. There's a couple like chips here, but no rust under the doors. And the doors were also painted. So the finish in here is fantastic. You see the new weather stripping all the way around here. You see the quality of paint in here. The original tag is in here. Actually, I just started to peel the tape off to reveal the VIN. So it's still got the original tag. The VIN is still in there on that sticker. Let's back out a second here. This piece is new. The carpet's new. This seat was just recovered not too long ago, he said, and it's a very high quality vinyl. It's very, very soft feeling. It's not that cheap hard stuff. This, like, a blind man would think it's leather. Let's put it that way. An interesting way to put it. I have what I believe is the original radio that would go in there. Probably the original steering wheel. It's got a little crack on top, little crack here. Probably, you know, original. I think this wood grain on the dash is original. 07799 miles. Paint is original. Cheyenne Super. I've never had a Cheyenne Super before. You can see it's a factory air truck. The dash pad is super nice. There's one little crack there. Let me go here and open this. Rear window sliding was factory option. The 4-season air. Front and rear shock, it says. Posi traction, 373 rear ratio. Manual throttle, turbo hydromatic. Can you even read that? Power steering, whatever that L78 is. Heavy duty battery, AM, FM push button. White, orange. Tinted glass, door edge guards. Front rear lock. Below eye line mirror. Rear axle 373, 350 V8. Comfort tilt steering wheel. It has tilt as well. I forgot about that. Auxiliary battery. Full wheel covers. Camper wiring. Cheyenne. Super Sport and parchment trim. So this is parchment seat, and I love the color. It's got the same. These are probably original door panels. Actually, they're a little worn, but I love them. They're still so nice and presentable. The wood looks to be replaced though on both of them. It's got an old-fashioned little compass in there. Who knows how long that's been there. It's got the white, like the parchment of a headliner, and the visors too, and this is all original paint in the cab up there. So again, we'll keep moving. I'll show you the tailgate now. The back bumper, which again is just really nicely painted. It's got a tow hitch if you wanted to tow something. Again, all this trim here is new. Again, same quality finish down here. All this trim's new. That came off. See this? See, it's got the same hole here, but the finish is a little nicer here. I'm doing a video right now. Yeah. Same finish down there is nice. Finish down there is nice. Trim is nice. In going underneath the truck, I'm going to say it's about 99% rust free, 1%, and it's all original. Just a little bit, starting to get a little bit of pinholes in the rocker here, and then just a little bit into that brace. But it's all solid, it's all original, and I'd rather see original than, you know, tar over it or just steel thrown over it. At least you know it's there, and it's all very solid. But again, just letting everybody know. All lines up nice. This all fits nicely. I love the, well, again, new weather stripping, but the finish in here is impressive. Again, that piece is new. Weather stripping is new. Paint there is nice. The wind's blowing the door. Again, nice finish in here. No rust underneath. But it will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you'd like to check it out. Let us know. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. Try to block the wind here as I finish. 71 K10. It's been so long since I said K10. I'm very happy about it. I actually thought I'd never get to have one of these again. Arizona truck, finished in factory colors. 350. Turbo 350 trans. Power steering. Power front disc brakes. 12 bolt 373 rear axle. And a working 4x4. But anyway, we are going to get in now, show it drive, and then drive it. Thank you.
badass.
No foul language.
Sorry.
It's okay.
It's tough.
I looked up the last time I had well, it was a K20 the last time I had it, but just a 4x4 of these years in general, it was over 3 years ago.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I had a 75 K10 or K15 in high school.
People like those later 70s.
Yeah.
They're not for me. There's something about looking at this body style,
Yeah, it's nice.
you know, a little higher off the ground, that just blows it away.
The speedometer works like a champ.
I know, and I love that it's an automatic.
Yeah.
Most of actually, the last one I had that was a very stock style truck. That was a 4-speed, which is like a granny gear.
Yeah.
Yeah. So having the automatic is, I would say, nice.
It is.
Yeah. Back in the day, work truck wise, 4-speed was very useful, but the automatic for today is nice.
Yeah, nobody wants to be stuck in traffic with them.
You don't want to be in first gear in that granny gear going a mile an hour.